2.2. Characteristics of quadratic functions. The axis of symmetry of the graph of a quadratic function is the line that splits the parabola into two equal or mirror images. The left side is a mirror reflection of the right side. This line passes through the vertex. If the axis of symmetry is vertical, it is the line x equals the x value of the vertex. For the quadratic function f of x equals a times the quantity of x minus h squared plus k, the vertex is at the point hk, and the axis of symmetry is the line x equals h. Standard form of a quadratic function is f of x equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c, where a, b and c are constants. If a is greater than 0, the parabola opens up. If a is less than 0, the parabola opens down. The parabola is narrower than the parent function's parabola if the magnitude or the absolute value of a is greater than 1. It is wider when the magnitude of a is less than 1. The axis of symmetry of the standard form is the line x equals the opposite of b divided by 2a, and the vertex is along this line with the y value of f of the opposite of b over 2a. The y-intercept is at the point 0c or when x is 0, y equals c. The max or the min value of the function is the y-coordinate or the output value. There is a minimum if a is greater than 0 and the parabola opens up, and there is a maximum if a is less than 0 and the parabola opens down. For example, f of x equals 2x squared has a minimum because the parabola opens up. The function is increasing to the right and to the left of the minimum. F of x equals negative 2x squared has a maximum because the parabola opens down and is decreasing to left and to the right of the maximum. The maximum or the min value is at the vertex of the parabola. The maximum or minimum value is the y value at the vertex. Intercept form of a quadratic function is f of x equals a times the quantity of x minus p times the quantity of x minus q. X equals p and x equals q are x-intercepts. The output value equals 0 at p and q. The axis of symmetry is the line x equals p plus q divided by 2. It is halfway between p and q. For example, f of x equals the quantity of x minus 1 times the quantity of x plus 2. It has x-intercepts at the value of x equals 1 and x equals negative 2. Halfway between these 2 points is the axis of symmetry. 1 plus negative 2 equals negative 1 divided by 2. X equals negative 1/2. This is the axis of symmetry.